Hey, Riley, Riley, Riley. Hey. We just ordered some pizza. It is my first time eating pizza in the Dominican Republic. And excuse me for that burp. That was from me drinking the Coca-Cola.
We find Dominican girl from what's name is? It's called and pizza. How good? She's so cold.
What should I show me? What should I?
I got her from Kristen now.
So, how would you rate the pizza on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm not supposed to be eating cheese. I'm not supposed to be eating pizza. So, however I rate it, the bathroom will determine that.
That dude said the bathroom going to determine that. But this is how the pizza looks. What's going on, guys? So today is our last day here in the Dominican Republic, and it's the weekend. It's Sunday, so we're pretty much just gonna relax today, get some food, and you know, the curfew is early, so we're pretty much just gonna get food to last the day and just pretty much just relax, you know, enjoy the scenery. Probably definitely we gotta get in the pool at least one time here. We just only been in the beach and we haven't hit the pool yet here at the hotel. So well, it's not even really a hotel, it's an Airbnb, so it's like a apartment complex type thing, but it's nice. It's a very nice apartment. I'm definitely considering like I should do something like this back in Jamaica, you know, buy my own place and probably rent it out there or something. I don't know. We're gonna see what the future holds, right? So Chris and Alante, they're still sleeping right now. We've been up like seriously late last night, so yeah, let's just, you know, see what this day holds for us and just enjoy the journey, I guess. Alright guys, so I have my friend Christy coming over that I met on the beachfront. She's also on vacation in the Dominican Republic. She lives in Haiti, and if you know anything, Haiti is basically connected excuse me, to the Dominican Republic. She's just a friend, like seriously. This country is interesting because the people and the local are just so friendly, you know what I mean? Like you can literally make genuine friendships here, and I wish it was like that back in the States. She speaks French and Creole, and I know like basic French. Like I probably know how to say like 4 things, like bonjour, je m'appelle André, et toi, you know, like how are you? My name is Andre, and you know, and like ça va, you know, like how are you doing? I think that's, I don't remember what that means.
Yo, that nigga's gonna go get some fucking food or what?
Man, say what's up to the vlog, man.
What's up?
Man, how your experience been in the DR so far?
Man, let's go get some food. My experience in the DR, ask me that in an hour after I eat. Okay?
Got Chris coming out for the morning. So what's up to the vlog, man? How your experience in the DR been so far?
It's been great, man. I'm about to take a dump in the laundry bathroom.
What?
I'm about to take a dump in the laundry bathroom. Where Alante right now? Where Alante gets food from?
He ain't get no food, man. He say he wants some food now.
Man, bro.
What?
No peso.
Hola.
Chris, is it guy right there? as a condition.
Well, now we at top. All right, senor. Eh? Yeah. All right, senorita. Big fish.
Yeah, I told you. Yeah, the price big too.
Bien. I like that.
Big too. What's your name, my man?
Andre.
Andre. My name is Jay. Andre.
Alright. Alright guys, so now we are just waiting on some fish and some pasta and shrimp. How you feel about it, man?
Yeah, I feel good. Me like the youth, man. Man, I learn him. I do nothing illegal. And then here I'm making business. I learn to speak Spanish, English, everything else, French, whatever, Haitian, whatever, then speak.
Yo, but you gotta talk to the people in English, cause them on a Jamaican.
Oh, it's some Jamaican. Hey, look. Great gentleman, man. He learned English, you know, just talking to different people. Speak a little bit of French, you know, Spanish. You know, he said very different language just by having conversation with people. He's pretty good. That's how he got us right here, you know. You told me?
Yeah. Good guy. Here we go.
Yeah,
This guy.
one Canon pasta.
This guy.
One fish.
A good guy.
Mashed potato.
What you getting?
Nothing.
Alright vlog, so we got our food and now we can't find Alante. We walking around trying to find this guy. Because he wanted to get cheaper food.
We're not concerned, we just care about the key. That's all I care.
Say hello to the vlog. What's that? Alright vlog, so in the midst of looking for Alante, ran into my friend Christy.
I don't give a about that.
And we still didn't meet up with Alante yet. But we got in touch with him because of Christy's Wi-Fi, so we just going back to the hotel to go eat. And he got the key, so we gotta eat like in the ground level of the hotel. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to show you guys the food, get some close-up shots of it, but I was too hungry. We was waiting on Alante for too long and I just killed it, man. And I left the camera in the room, but Christy's out there. I think she's talking to like her cousin or something like that, and she's speaking in French. It's just really, it's interesting and cool to me to actually see it in real life and not like a classroom, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's go and see what they're talking about. Let's go. Bonjour, je m'appelle How do you say he's fat? Tell me.
Cet homme est gros.
He's fat.
Yeah.
Alante, she's saying you're fat in French. So look what Alante just did, vlog. Look at that.
Get me off the damn camera.
Look at that. Look at that. All over the floor. My good. I should get some B-roll of that. We got to clean it up before I call the police. Clean it up before I call the police, my friend. You see me?
What the police are gonna do to me?
Clean it up before I call the police.